Hey, welcome back. If you're here right now, that means you made it through the entire 10-part journey into the wild world of modern television IT. So today, we're going to take a step back, connect all the dots, and do a quick recap of everything you've learned. So, let's make it official. This is the end of course review for our big 10-part tutorial. And that whole tutorial was really an overview of this incredibly deep research report, Modern Television Information Technology Requirements. And for getting through all 10 parts, seriously, a huge congrats is in order. You've covered a ton of ground. And it's so important to remember where all this info came from. The whole series was built on the rock-solid research and expertise of Virtualization Options LLC. So you know everything we talked about is grounded in real-world, industry-leading knowledge. We really structured this whole journey to build your knowledge from the ground up, right? We started with the core foundations, the bedrock of it all. Then we jumped into the creative engine room with production operations. After that, we saw how the content actually gets to your screen through distribution and automation. Then we tackled the big stuff, reliability and security. And finally, we looked ahead to future technologies. Let's do a quick flyby of the key takeaways from each. All right, let's rewind right back to the beginning, parts 1 and 2. This is where we laid out those core foundations, the absolute critical infrastructure that pretty much supports everything else in the broadcast universe. You know, the biggest thing to get here was that broadcast IT is a completely different beast than your standard corporate IT. It's this total convergence of two worlds. The demands are just on another planet. We're talking storage in petabytes online, and performance that has to handle 1 to 2 gigabytes per second for just a single 4K video stream. And that network secret weapon? Precision Time Protocol, PTP, making sure every single device is synced down to the nanosecond. It's absolutely crucial for perfect switching and keeping audio and video locked together. Okay, so with that foundation in place, we moved into the heart of it all in parts 3, 4, and 5, production operations. This is where the magic you actually see on screen gets made. These shots kind of take you right back into that studio environment, don't they? We followed the entire signal path, all the way from light hitting the camera lens to that final push of a fader on the audio mixer. This whole section was about the very specific tools and workflows that bring a television show to life. And this is really where theory hit the pavement. We looked at the crazy demands of studio network design, the tech behind pre-production and live shows, how that signal makes its final journey to the transmitter, and of course the insane logistical puzzle of taking a whole broadcast on the road for sports. From there, part 6 took us behind the curtain, to a part of the process most viewers never, ever see, how the finished show is distributed and automated for broadcast. And this is where we met the unsung hero of any TV station, the broadcast automation system. This is the incredibly complex software that is the central brain, running the entire show 24/7. It's juggling commercials, shows, graphics, everything, making sure you get a perfectly seamless stream. Okay, then things got really serious. In parts 7 and 8, we turned to two topics where the stakes just could not be higher, making sure the station stays on the air and protecting it from all kinds of threats. I just have to pause on this quote from the report because it's so important. Ransomware represents an existential threat to broadcast operations. This isn't just some IT headache. A successful attack can literally knock a station completely off the air, cutting it off from the public and from its money. It's why security isn't just a feature, it's a flat-out necessity. So how do you stay on the air 24/7, 365 days a year? Well, it's all about layers of defense. It starts with constant paranoid monitoring of every single system. It means building in full redundancy so there's always a backup waiting, and it demands an automated failover that can switch to that backup in less than 2 seconds. And to fight that existential ransomware threat, secure air-gapped backups are your last line of defense, your ultimate safety net. And to wrap it all up, parts 9 and 10 took us to the cutting edge, looking at the emerging tech that's really shaping the future of the entire industry. What we saw here was this fundamental shift happening right now. The old way of doing things with dedicated hardware and everything on premise is giving way to something new. The future is all about the flexibility you get with IP-based video, the incredible scale of the cloud, and these new hybrid models that give you the best of both worlds. So if we boil it all down, these are the 5 core truths you've really mastered. Number 1, broadcast IT is not enterprise IT. The rules are different, the stakes are higher. 2, dead air is the enemy. Reliability is measured in seconds, not minutes. 3, The amount of data is just massive. You have to think in petabytes. 4. Security isn't a project, it's a constant, high-stakes war. And 5. The future is being built on IP and the cloud. So one last time, a huge congratulations for making it all the way through. You put in the work, and now you have this fantastic bird's-eye view of the entire complex world of modern broadcast technology. And that is seriously no small thing. And hey, remember, the learning doesn't have to stop here. If you ever want a refresher on, I don't know, network timing or studio security, the entire 10-part tutorial is going to stay right here on YouTube for you to review anytime you want. So I'll just leave you with this final thought. You've built an incredible foundation of knowledge. The only real question left is, now that you've got the fundamentals down, what part of this amazing field are you going to dive into next? Thanks for watching.